Deep within the Velmora Basin, scattered across flooded plains, lie isolated ecosystems known as verdant nodes, miniature swamp forests evolving in near total isolation. Here, land and water constantly exchange places. Ground may hold firm one day and disappear the next, forcing life to adapt in remarkable ways. At the water's edge lives one of the basin's most versatile inhabitants, the frog turtle. Armored like a reptile, yet feeding with the appetite of an amphibian, it hunts insects while grazing plants both above and beneath the waterline. Protection allows patience. Where other animals must escape danger, the frog turtle simply waits for calm to return. But patience alone does not rule the verdant nodes. Moving silently between roots and shadow is the basin's most capable hunter, the green foxcat, a secretive relative of larger wildcats, equally skilled on land and in water. For most of the year it lives alone, crossing dangerous flooded channels from one forest island to another in search of territory and, occasionally, a mate. Within the shallow creeks, a lifelong partnership continues its quiet work. The brown root-crawler duck. Its long neck probes deep into the stream bed, while insulating feathers trap air, allowing the bird to walk along the creek floor itself. Holding its breath, it feeds beneath the surface, as male and female remain together for life. In an unstable world, cooperation ensures survival. Nearby, movement passes through the reeds. Barely larger than a chicken, the yellow-striped mini-goat travels in cautious herds. When rising waters flood their feeding grounds, they simply swim, using their tails to guide them towards submerged plants. Bright yellow stripes along their backs create a powerful illusion. From above, predators see not prey, but something best avoided. Within each verdant node, life has followed its own path. Creatures walk beneath water, swim through forests, and hunt between worlds. Here in the Velmora Basin, evolution favors not strength, but adaptation. And in isolation, life continues to reinvent itself.